Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This model is a Lenovo ThinkBook 16 G8 series, Intel Ultra 7 processor, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, 16-inch screen. The category PC is a AI PC. Now I'm going to unbox the
Just show the black
model.
like nearby.
So I'll show you what is the ports are available in this one. Please like and subscribe to my channel. So these are the things is inside. Comes with the one Lenovo bag, black color, 16 inches. This is a Lenovo original bag, 16 inches, black color. Comes inside the box, and these are the things are inside. Comes with the Type C power adapter, 65 watts. You can see Type C, and one power cable, UK type, 1.8 meters length, and user manual. Comes with one cloth, eco friendly, no plastic inside this model. This is a top design with aluminium body. The top. It's a very good laptop for SMB business user. 16-inch screen. The screen is a WUXGA screen, 1920 by 1200, IPS 300 nits, anti-glare. You can see the Ultra 7 processor. The processor number is the 255H processor, 16 core, and this is the touchpad. It's very smooth and big size. This is a full size keyboard with a numerical pad and power button with indicator. This is the full size keyboard, you can see, and comes with a backlight also. Backlight keyboard, this one. This laptop weight is 1.7 kg, and you can see here the webcam with the privacy shutter, and it is a full HD 1080p. And you can see here the what are the ports are available in this model. Type C power port and USB port, HDMI, Thunderbolt C, headphone jack, and indicator. And we can see other side what are the ports available. I will show you. Comes with a memory card reader, USB port, and RJ45, Kensington lock system. So these are the ports available in this model, and you can see the top design. You can see the ThinkBook logo, and this one is a top aluminum body and ThinkBook logo. You can see it's a gray color. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is the backside look. I'm going to show you now. It's a standard size for who want to do Excel work. These are the ventilation in the backside, and 2 speaker on side. So one hand we can lift, and 180 degrees. 180 degrees. You can see. For more details, please check in the descriptions. Thank you for watching.